Why you should wake up and study at 4:30 a.m. No interruptions, no kids yelling, no phone calls. Extra 2 hours per day, 14 hours per week, that is 30 days per year to go work done. Waking up early in the morning was one of the secrets to success by most successful people around the world. Less likely to procrastinate, builds discipline and good time to exercise, more likely to get work done, mental edge over other people, build momentum for day ahead. Are you going to wake up